What is up everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here from Emotional Crypto Trading. We're continuing our Solana price analysis and technical details of the day. Let's see what's happening in the markets. Well, Solana is having a good time for the past 24 hours. It is up by 3.15%. Meanwhile, for the past 7 days, it's slightly lower, 2.4% out there in the markets. Obviously, things gotta be slowed down, especially after the hard sell-offs and volatilities we've been going through. A bunch of the retail traders have been stepping away in the current situation of the space. With all the decreases, with all the bear runs, so many guys out there cannot take this, which is decreasing the volatility, especially when the institutional trading is missing. So we got our crypto sitting ranked number 9, and we're looking forward to having its fight with Cardano and then the Binance USD. So there is a lot to go with that. And on top of all these things, Solana has been pumping pretty well compared to Ethereum or Bitcoin in the past period. It's just that Ripple has a better situation, but keeping that in mind, Solana is doing very, very well, guys. Let's take a look into the chart and see more about the whole situation. By the way, for those of you that are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like video of this presentation, guys. It really helps the community and the channel to grow and have a high reach. So let's get into the 30-minute analysis and see what's happening in a micro perspective. There is a structure of a golden pocket located above us, and this is in between the two yellow lines. That's somewhere around $35.5 up to $36. It is significant resistance. This one appears at a place of deviation because the ultimate high of this structure is located here. Above that, there is a huge amount of volume and liquidity that has not been grabbed, and this is specifically addressing towards the strategy of liquidity grabbing process, which is a pattern that has multiple strategies of trading, which I usually teach into my one-on-one coaching. If the market price is going into that zone, we have specific determination based on probabilities. Now, in order to get there, it's quite interesting because you have your ultimate low of the current structure slightly below the golden pocket. So there could be a breakout out of our ultimate low, ultimate high here, forming a deviation, which is how we call it basically in the markets, a deviation. So you come through like this and then basically you form a downtrend from there, which means that you reverse the markets by having a fake out representing a deviation. So this is a kind of a big issue due to the fact that the selling pressure triggered afterwards is significant. This is one probability out there that sits on the table, which is obviously not the ultimate one and not the one that purely dominates the current situation. Therefore, we also have the ability to break out of the golden pocket and find support by this, right? So we get out of the current zone, we find support from the current zone, which is absolutely necessary. And then you get out of the golden pocket, you revisit the golden pocket. This is again absolutely necessarily, and you transform the golden pocket into your support, which will allow us to easily get back to $39. And I would not exclude this possibility as well, just like the other one sits on the table with the same probability rate. It would be a decent increase of 30%. So it would be a rally in a bear market. A rally which will be denied sooner or later, and we're going to find new lows at the end of the day. But that's not the discussion at the moment. So what we have been going through, well, we got rejected by this level, and we would like to see how powerful this rejection is going to be. As of now, the retracement is ending quite near to the top, which is portraying a domination representation and a continuation of the bulls. Yet this can be changed in any minute due to the fact that if you break below this low, you have broken the structure, and for sure any top that you establish that will be lower than the previous is going to be shorted, and then you form a downtrend. So That's something that must be considered as well. But then the green line here is having a lot of the forest because it will re-support us. So that's a good aspect. At the end of the day, we also have the RSI, which is forming a divergence with the price. That's not really a good thing. There's also our plus symbol and a break below, a overbought situation. Definitely not in the best condition for people to be longing here short term. It is getting close to a exhausted level, so I would be careful with that. In terms of the RSI, this is how it's portrayed. Great, so this is pretty much all regarding Solana. Make sure once again to like the video and put your thoughts in the comments area. Tell me, where do you see Solana by the end of 2022? Tell me, where do you see Solana by the end of 2023? At the same time, if you care about receiving a bonus up to $4,550, make sure to watch this video till the end. And for those of you that would like to perform in trading and would like to become professional traders, I do run a one-on-one coaching directly with me live, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade from A to Z. So you have to watch the video till the end, and all the links for all these things are in the description area and comments area. So that's all, guys. Have a good time. For those of you interested in trading without fees, we have a promotion on Bybit. So in order to participate in this promotion, you definitely must sign up basically from this specific promo or referral code 41060. This is the one you need to sign up from. So you need to create a new account and get under this specific promo, which is dedicated towards zero fees trading on all pairs. And on top of that, rewards up to $4,550 in a variety of representations, starting from a welcome gift up to deposit blast off, up to derivative trading gifts. So up to $4,550. You can get the promo code at scrembocoaching.com/big bonus. It will drive you directly to this page, or scrembocoaching.com/zero fees. By the way, all the links are located in the description area or comments area right below the video. So now I'd like to talk for those that are interested in education, for those that are looking for having an education portrayed one-to-one directly with me, specifically on their needs, a proper professional work. So let me share with you more information. For those of you that value education and think that the results are generated by hard work, preparation, and a continuous process of learning, make sure to check out watching this video, as this is my one-to-one coaching, which I do out of passion for the ones that are interested in this space of learning how to trade professionally. We do have a one-to-one coaching program where I'll take you from A to Z into the process. It's basically a program that runs between 4 to 6 weeks directly with me. Usually we're doing on Zoom conversations. So basically we have the share screen turned on and I'm teaching you how to trade from the research process until the last stages of the market. So we're actually talking about a comprehensive process. We need an intensive coaching, which is going to have homework for you to do, where we're going to verify the knowledge together, where we're going to perform trading. It's actually explained on our page. We have 3 different stages of the coaching: psychology, technicals, and live trading. We have a whole lot of the things explained on our page. You can find out more information as well. Just watch this video here where I'm explaining how does it work. And you can, by the way, qualify for a free conversation with me of 15 minutes where we can discuss these things. So it's scrembocoaching.com with the page. You can register now. On your email, you're going to find out the offer straight away and you can reply to that. As well, for those of you looking to join the trades that I perform for myself, if you want to be part of it, we are doing trading through API. So if you think that if you want to be part of the trades that I do for myself as well, feel free to participate. There's no upfront fees. It's just a commission out of the pure profits we make. That's pretty much all. On the left side of the page, you have my trading performance documented since September 2017. And then on the right side of the page, you have how does it work. On the top left corner, you got our page, scrembocoaching.com/today. And this is where you can have more information. Once again, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure that you're going to do all the things backed up by the data. This is very important in the trading process. Nothing can be done out of the blue, and it's not because what we want to perform out of nothing. It's most likely we need to do things correctly just because that's how the markets are telling us to do. That's all, folks. See you soon.